Hi guys, so yesterday Touchstone Wrap came to my apartment and they renovated all the kitchen, all the cabinet of the kitchen and also the cabinet and the door of the laundry room. So it was beige before and now as you can see it's all black. It was wrapped in a very professional way. The guys were so helpful and they were so professional in what they were doing, and as you can see the finishing is really good and I'm really happy with the work that they have done, and good job guys, keep it up.
Esse é o DJ PHG, barulhando todas as favelas.
Eita, a metade dos bailes, só mandelão.
E aí, DJ PHG, tipo como, moleque?
E vai novinha jogando essa bunda, hoje tá maravilhoso. Vai novinha jogando essa bunda, hoje tá maravilhoso. Tá passando no baile, o bonde do pau perigoso. Bonde do pau perigoso, pau perigoso, do bonde do pau perigoso. Tá passando no baile, o bonde do pau perigoso. Tá passando no baile, o bonde do pau perigoso. Tá passando no baile, o bonde do pau perigoso. Bonde do pau perigoso, pau perigoso, do bonde do pau perigoso. Caralho, caralho, oi, 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 oi.